What is up, everyone? Sorry it's been a little while since I've seen you, but I've been doing a couple little things to the truck. I don't know if you guys can notice it. Very little. Very, very little. But I don't know if you can notice it or not. I know we just did that, and a lot of you guys liked it, which I really appreciate, all the new followers and everybody else, but I thought maybe just a little thing would help out, and that would be this bad boy. So I went ahead and I bought two of those tow hooks that were painted red on OfferUp. Yeah, I fucked up because the guy tried to paint them. It looked like shit. So I had to take my old ones off and paint them and do it myself. Now, I'm not a painter, but I think I did an okay job. So let me show you guys what I did. It's not the best, but you get all these videos of people telling you how go ahead and, you know, sand them down and paint it and then, you know, let it sit and do its thing. Well, let me show you what I did. In the sun. I think it looks good. Looks nice. So I bought the paint. You can buy the paint over at AutoZone. It's the same one, Victory Red. It didn't come out as shiny, so I ended up having to buy a clear coat and put it over it, so it gave it that nice shine. So I got two of these. Now, it's nice. That's the good part. The bad part is having to take those mofos off, man. So the driver's side is the crap side. I don't know why they reverse it, or they could have reversed it, but I think you guys all know that once you try to pull the bolt out, well, it's got a little spot underneath there. I'm going to take you to it in a second. There's a spot underneath it where that hits and you can't pull it out. So I ended up having to figure out something. I cut the bolt a little bit and I was able to pry it out a little bit, and then boom, I got it. And then when you put it back in, you flip it and you put it in the correct way it's supposed to go, so you can easily access it for later. So I had these little, let me show you real quick why I did it. So don't laugh, but yeah, this is like, to me it's crap. It doesn't look good. You know, this is my touch up to what the guy gave me. So I did better, and I'm just going to pull those off and replace them. Let me show you guys what I did. So I'm going to do my best to explain this to you as I'm laying down looking up. Okay, so you have these bolts, one right here and one on the top. Okay, so the bottom one just basically threads right in. It's threaded. And then the one on the top goes through, and then it's got the nut, as you can see with the nut. Now, this bad boy right here is a no-no. Let me move that for you, because what happens is it's already reversed right now. The other end is basically where you try to pull it out and it keeps hitting this piece. So as you can see is I cut it and it made it smaller, and I had to pry this down to pull it out coming out this way. So yeah, it's not good. It's such a design flaw, or however the hell they did it, but there it is over there. So yeah, the other side is completely, like, let's show you, like, this side's perfect. Like, I don't understand why they do it so good there where it's just easy to do, but over here it's just, why? So I'm gonna go ahead, replace them. But yeah, this is what that looks like. Kind of sucks, but here we go. Guys, this GoPro got too hot and it shut off. The best part too, I was doing everything. It was fully detailed. One of the best shots I ever had. And the thing freaking took a dump. Well, I'm gonna show you what I did. So these were the crappy ones that came off before. As you could probably see right around here, I just kind of put them on because I wanted to see what it would look like with the red and if I really like them. This was me just kind of messing around. I'm gonna go ahead and just repaint them and then probably just post it on OfferUp. Get like try to get my money back from what I paid for them. I didn't really pay a lot. Maybe do a little giveaway for someone local that's nearby, that's a subscriber that wants those. Anything to help out the community. So this is what it looks like now. Same thing, doesn't look any different, but a lot cleaner. As you can see, a little more shine. These things are a pain in the ass to take off and put on, but yeah, a little bit better. A little spice to the truck. Helps out, bring out the black a little bit. It helps bring out the white and just kind of balance everything out a little bit. So I figured why not do it. So let's go ahead and put this baby in the sun and see how much better it looks. Makes it pop a little bit. Like I said, gets everything going. It's not like it's something to where it's dramatic or anything. It's just like adding sprinkles to a donut. It just gives it that flair. So whether you guys have done it, or if you already have a trail bus, or if you already have a ZR2, or if you already have something that has those, yeah, I like that look. I wanted to see what it would look like on my truck, and I did it. So something easy for you guys to do. It takes a little time. You have to have at least a little bit of patience for painting, because you definitely want to go ahead and paint it, and you want to let it dry and then put another coat and let it dry, and so on and so forth. Make sure you prep it well, make sure you sand it, do all that good stuff, and yeah, that's it. So let me know what you guys think. Just want to say once again, thank you to everybody that subscribed in the past month. Man, I know it's like still a small community, but I really hope it gets big. I really hope that you guys enjoy what you're looking at. I got more videos I can do. I'm going to do a full 3-month, 4-month review on this truck, just to let you know everything I've done since the day I purchased it. I also have an update for all you guys that are interested into the infotainment system, all the little bugs, actually there's little tricks and stuff that I learned that you guys probably don't know, or maybe you guys can teach us a bunch of tricks. We can all help each other out. So yeah, make sure you guys like, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, something, say hi, let us know you're here. I appreciate everything you guys have done. Once again, thank you very much for all the support. Love you all. Peace.